Okay, so I sectioned off my hair. So I put my hair into 6 sections, and now I'm going to start the henna treatment. Okay, I'm gonna start the process, the step-by-step process. So what I did first was I mixed up all my henna with the green tea and the henna packet, and I actually let this sit for, you remember, just put it in here. I let it sit for 12 hours. I just let it sit for 12 hours because I wanted the color to fully process. But if you don't want to, if you're not trying to color your hair, then you can just immediately start applying it on your hair. You don't have to wait. So I don't know if you can see, but I have a few gray hairs here. So I want to just color my hair. I want it like a natural color. And I know that this works with henna because I've done it before, okay? So I usually let this sit on my hair for about 3 hours. You can let it sit for like 2 to 3 hours, but the package says 3 to 4 hours. I don't want to go over 4 hours. I never go over that the time that is given because I don't want to, you know, make my hair dry or anything. So sometimes if you leave it on for a very long time, it can get very, very dry. And I don't want to do that because then I'll have to go in and do after our shampoo, I'll have to do a conditioner, deep conditioner, all of that, okay? And I don't want to do that. So yeah, I'm gonna put some gloves on because henna can stain, and I don't want to stain my hands. I don't want to stain my fingertips or anything like that. And I'm going to just put this on section by section, okay? And as you can see right here, I got it nice, and it's like a nice yogurty consistency, okay? So you see a nice yogurty consistency. All right, and we're gonna begin. I'm gonna put it all over my whole head. And I'm wearing this black shirt because sometimes henna can stain your clothes. So you wanna make sure that you are wearing something that you don't really care if it gets messed up, okay? But hopefully we're not spilling anything. We don't want to do that, okay? So I'm just gonna start, and I'm just going to put it, you can either use a spoon or you can just start dipping it in. I'll probably do both. All right, so let's start, let's begin. Okay, so I am all finished. So I'm all done putting the henna, and as you can see, my gloves are stained. So that's why I said you need to wear gloves to make sure that you do not stain your hands, stain your fingers. So yeah, I'm going to put a shower cap on. Okay, I'm gonna put a shower cap on. Hopefully this will fit. Yeah. Okay, yeah, just fit. Ooh, okay, yeah, it just fit. Get it all up in there. Alright, so I'm probably gonna need, next time I'll just grab a larger shower cap since yeah, the clips or the clamps are making it a little difficult to fit all of the hair underneath. But yeah, just get a large shower cap and let this sit on your hair for around 3 to 4 hours. And afterwards, you're just gonna wash it out, wash it all out, make sure you get it out really, really good. And then just use shampoo. The shampoo that I'm going to be using is the Not Your Mother's Naturals. It's the Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom Ultimate Nutrition Shampoo. So I'm going to be using that shampoo in my hair. And then I'm just going to use a deep conditioner. The deep conditioner I use is a TGIN, Thank God It's Natural, Miracle Repair Deep Hydrating Hair Mask. Okay, so this is the deep conditioner that I'm going to be using. And while I have the deep conditioner on my hair, I'm just going to sit under my my bonnet dryer. Okay, so this is the bonnet dryer. Just wanted to make sure that I have a nice and nourishing deep conditioning treatment. And that is it. Okay, so I will show you how everything looks after I wash out the henna. Okay. Okay, so I am done with the entire process. I just finished washing my hair, as you can see, and yeah, I feel like my curls are hanging a little more. So usually sometimes they say, you know, if you do a henna treatment, it can loosen up your curl pattern. So, I mean, it's hanging a little, you know, it's hanging a little, not as shrunken as it usually is. I mean, the shrinkage is real, of course. But yeah, I like it. The results are good. And I don't know if you can see, but where are the grays? The grays have officially turned dark brown. Do you see that? So yeah, they're dark brown. Dark brown. So yeah, the grays are gone. Until, of course, my new growth, you know, my hair grows out. But yeah, I like it. So this is it. Let me know if you guys are gonna try this, okay? And I'll see you next time. Bye.